I grew up in the business along with my brothers. My dad started his business back in early 80s, and so that's all I've ever really known.
That's what I grew up doing, is doing it all. I grew up cleaning toilets. I grew up carpet cleaning.
When we first started our business in Fargo in 2009, we literally were working out of my brother's garage. From there to now, we have roughly 120 employees, 3 different office locations, and it is something that we are very excited about because we know that there is potential for even more.
We don't do much for marketing and sales. We do have a sales guy on staff. We do some marketing stuff, the social media, which has definitely helped, but most of our efforts are based on the relationships that we have.
Relationships go a long way, especially in these small communities. I'll have an insurance adjuster call me directly on my phone because we have that relationship.
Those things have really helped our growth. Me and my brothers are all kind of wired the same. We love helping people out.
Help others succeed, not just us, but to employ others and help them prosper.
Our biggest challenge is always finding the right people, and we have certain core values in our business.
Our core values in our business are empathy, teamwork, quality, respect, and trustworthiness. If we don't have those core values, we might not have that next customer.
A lot of our supervisors and management have started almost at the bottom to now being, leading crews, being crew chiefs, being supervisors, being part of our leadership team. I mean, they live out the same values that we do of really wanting to help people. Being able to leave the business and go down to Houston for hurricane work and in Florida, and to know that we have the right people in place, taking care of the customers the way I would take care of them. It's so rewarding.
If there's one thing that I would recommend that other owners to do would be to develop some of their own core values in their own business and try to live and breathe by those values.
We have a saying that says going above and beyond. We make sure in any meeting, and we're always sharing, when people go above and beyond, and just creating that culture of we need to be a best-in-class service company. You develop your people, take care of your people, and the growth will happen.